Greetings class and welcome to Marketing 2070 Buying and Merchandising Spring Semester. My name is Mrs. Caldwell. I'm your instructor for this course and I wanted to take a few minutes to go over some useful information for you as well as my expectations. So first I want to take you through Blackboard. The first thing you will see is your announcement screen. It's very important that you check announcements at least twice weekly, because I will post announcements at least once or twice weekly. So you want to make sure you check for that information. Also, this week you should be working on your syllabus and on your no-show assignment. So here it is under syllabus and no-show assignment. Simply click on there. Watch the video and then complete the test. Also, there is a work ethics quiz that you must complete. And these quizzes are not graded, but you must complete them in order to remain enrolled in the class. Next, I want to take a look at the course syllabus and calendar. And we will highlight some important points there. Pardon my slow computer. Okay, let me get to the right syllabus. Okay, so important things to note here are, first of all, my information. FYI, I'm not in the building. I'm working virtually. This is your textbook information. There's no online component required, and the textbook is required. Also, again, here's your no-show information, complete by Sunday, January 17th at midnight. Remember, if you don't complete your no-show assignment, you will be dropped from the course. Note that assignments are not accepted late. All tests and exams should be taken within the assigned calendar dates, and test makeups are at my discretion, and if you are allowed to make up a test, you may have significant points deducted. Evaluation in the course. Assignments are worth 32%, your project is worth 8%, your tests are worth 40%, and your exam, which is your proctored event, is worth 20%. Your final exam, again, which is your proctored event, will take place on Wednesday, April 28th between 10 and 6 p.m. You will need to log in and take your test via Respondus lockdown browser. You do need to have your ID. There is more information about Respondus right here that you need to make sure you read through about downloading it on your computer. Also, you want to make sure you take a look at your course calendar. These are your due dates for all of your assignments. So this is very critical that you take note of that so you know when all of your assignments are due. And all assignments are due at Sunday at midnight. Okay. Please note also, I want to talk about discussion boards for a moment. On discussion boards, your first posts are due by Wednesday, or you will lose 10 points Wednesday at midnight. Your second post or reply to a classmate is due by midnight on Sunday. Or you will lose 20 points if you do not reply back to a classmate. You want to make sure that you have good content in your discussion boards, that you are not simply replying back, good answer, or I agree. You want to make sure that we can have some good, grammatically correct, well thought out discussion boards so we can have some robust conversations in the course. Okay. Next, instructor contact information. This is me and how you contact me. So feel free to go to this screen to learn a little bit about me. Course information, this is where you will find this video if you need to refer back to it, as well as your proctored event information. Course content is where all of your course information lies. So you want to make sure that In your modules, you review all of the information. Everything is not necessarily have to be turned in, but you should read through. If it says to go to links, all of that is related to your learning of the material. Also note that, say if you have a test or a quiz in a module, you will not see that test or that quiz until the week of. Even if all of the modules are open, it will not be visible because the open date has not arrived. Okay, so that is course content. Course messages. You can reach out to me via course messages or via email. My grades, this is where you will view your grades for the course. And you will see, of course there's nothing graded yet, but you'll see your grades here. And virtual office. If we ever have a virtual office appointment, you will come here. And that is the virtual office. Any text issues, please reach out to Blackboard support. Any questions on content or assignments, please reach out to me. I look forward to having you in the course, and have a great semester.